Hi, I'm Rebecca Brand, and I'm here to tell you about a brand new mouthwash that's from Japan. It's brand new to the States, and it has amazing qualities that make it the mouthwash to get rid of those proteins in your mouth that are making your breath and your mouth unclean. The Japanese have done studies and found that tea extract is excellent for removing solid proteins out of your mouth. By brushing well and flossing your teeth, you only get out 25% of the bacteria, the dirt, and the solids that are in your mouth that dirty your mouth. And this company, Propolinse, has found out how to get rid of the solids that stick to the linings of your mouth and your tongue and all of the mucus parts of your mouth that keep those proteins and dead material within your mouth, making your breath smell bad and your mouth less healthy. It's called protein waste that's left in your mouth, and it's brown gunk. The hundreds of millions of germs that live in your mouth live off this brown gunk protein. It's the food debris that works into your mucous membranes of your mouth. You want to get that out, and Propolinse has found the way to do it. Let me tell you how it works. Propolinse Mouthwash key ingredient is propolis extract. Propolis comes from bees and beeswax and bee pollen from the environment bees live in to make honey. It's all natural. It's a mixture of the beeswax, the saliva, the sap, and different botanical products found in the area that bees live in. This natural extract of propolis that come from bees is what helps with anti-inflammatory problems, including things like gum disease and mouth ulcers. And bee propolis can also help fight cavities. It's an amazing natural ingredient that is the basis of Propolinse Mouthwash. Bee propolis has been found to help fight plaque, which in turn can reduce cavities, because plaque is what causes our cavities, as well as fighting Streptococcus mucin, and that also is a factor in tooth decay. And another main ingredient in Propolinse Mouthwash is tea extract. That's why it's brown when you pour it into a glass that you're going to use. Don't be fooled by that brown. That brown is helpful. That's just the color of tea, like you know when you make tea at home for company. Its unique formula with tea leaf extract sticks to the protein waste in your mouth and solidifies it to remove it from your mouth. Propolinse also has citric acid and malic acid. That's composed with vitamin C, which gives it a strong whitening effect. And vitamin C is very good to bathe your gums in and your teeth in. It helps make your teeth stronger. And it has a natural xylitol. That makes your mouth produce more saliva, which again is healthier for your mouth and getting rid of the bacteria that lives there. So it's a clean environment for smelling and odor, so you have beautiful fresh breath and a clean, healthy mouth. Every time Propolinse is on Japanese QVC, they sell out. They've sold over 25 million bottles of this. Upon release, it rushed in Japan, and now it's here for you to buy in America as well. We're used to mouthwashes of a different color. I like Propolinse mouthwash because it's all natural. At first I had to get over the brown, but then I found out that brown is from a tea extract. Well, that's okay, because I love tea. The benefits of it, taking away the protein from my mouth, is wonderful. And understanding why it's brown was important to me. I love the taste of tea, but this doesn't taste anything like tea. It's more of a citrus, refreshing taste. And the pink one has aromas of cherry and flavors of wild cherry. Let me show you how this works. I brush my teeth, I floss my teeth, and then I rinse with Propolinse. And then we take a swish. And now we see the proteins that were taken out of my mouth. That stuff was stuck to my teeth and the inside of my mouth, and this mouthwash has taken that away to clean my mouth. Those are the protein solids. Look at those solids. Propolinse is an amazing mouthwash. And that brown gunk that's going to come out, besides the color of the tea extract, is those undesired proteins in your mouth. You want that out, and Propolinse Mouthwash will do that. So click the link to get Propolinse Mouthwash. And in the description box, I've written down the types of varieties they have and links that are easy for you to press. I hope you like it like I do. It's great to have confidence that your breath smells great, your teeth are getting whiter, and you're getting rid of the unhealthy bacteria floating around your mouth. I'm Rebecca Brand. Subscribe to my channel and ring my bell to be notified of the next video I make. And let's keep making great recipes in life, like a recipe to have a really clean, healthy mouth. If you like this video, check out these over here for similar videos on health and happiness for you and your family.